you're good.
Yeah, fine, thank you. Hi.
Hey Desire,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Pane, welcome back from where you have been all along.
Thank you.
How is the situation so far? Mbeera eri etya gy'obadde?
Embeera nnungi bw'ontunuulira olaba ki?
Annaye masigi.
Amiina. Mukama mulungi. Nange nsanyusa okulaba.
Owayogidde mu budde bwennyini obutuufu ng'endongo ekussa endongowa.
Really?
Nkugambye. Federation ebigenda mu maaso bisobadde obiwulirako ebya federation.
Yeah, mbadde mbiwulira.
What
I've
do
been
you think
following.
about the federation?
Katanatuwulira gwe ogwawa federation ne wuma ogwawa.
No, engeri gye naakajja, I'm yet to ascertain which one is the right one okubeeramu. Because at the end of the day, nange saagala kugwa wantu what are benefiting me as an artist. Yeah, so I'm yet to find out.
Okay.
Tell us about, we are even expecting to have the first ever female battle mu ggwanga, Shiba versus Cindy on the same stage.
Okay.
Tukusuubire ku
Ogwawa
ku babiri bano bwenga legendary mu industry.
I support both of them, but I believe the battle is a money-making event, so I support them to go for it and make money, but not fall out. That's the most important thing, because everything else can fall apart, but friendship is a very big thing, and it shouldn't be lost. So they shouldn't look, they should look ahead. Balabenga omukwano tegugwawo.
tugambe nti kyekino ekiseera abakyala okubanga nabo babatolinga kuba luli emabega tubadde na bato z'abasajja nga teziriwo.
Yeah, it's very okay. I mean, that's business.
Just like abantu bafune content. Just katononya welcome. Just a welcome. You can't hide a star. This one is a star.
But now why are you hiding?
She's a star.
Why are you hiding? Huh?
She's a star.
Why are you
People
hiding?
coming her back. She's a star. She's known here.
That's okay.
Michelle, welcome from Uganda. Welcome to Uganda.
Buladi tombuma. Kati kwa ino kuba star, bano bano ba star. Mama nikulipa.
Can we have Milka interview here if you don't mind?
Just a brief one. I'm just saying.
Okay. Thank you. Anne, welcome back from where you have been all along.
Thank you.
How is the situation so far? Mbeera eri etya gy'obadde?
Embeera nnungi bw'ontunuulira olaba ki?
Annaye masigi.
Amiina, Mukama mulungi. Nange nsanyusa okubeera wano.
Owayogidde mu budde bwennyini obutuufu ng'endongo efussa endongowa.
Really? Mbadde simanyi.
Federation ebigenda mu maaso bisobadde obiwulirako ebya federation.
Yeah, mbadde mbiwulira. I've been following.
About the federation.
Ogwawa federation ne wuma ogwawa.
No, engeri gye naakajja, I'm yet to ascertain which one is the right one okubeeramu. Because at the end of the day, nange saagala kugwa wantu what are benefiting me as an artist. Yeah, so I'm yet to find out.
Okay. Desire, tell us about, we are even expecting to have the first ever female battle mu ggwanga, Shiba versus Cindy on the same stage.
Okay.
Tukusuubire ku ogwawa ku babiri bano bwenga legendary mu industry.
Nedda nati kati nze ng'omuyimbi, I support both of them. But I believe the battle is a money-making event, so I support them to go for it and make money, but not fall out. That's the most important thing, because everything else can fall apart, but friendship is a very big thing, and it shouldn't be lost. So they shouldn't look, they should look ahead. Balabenga omukwano tegugwawo.
tugambe nti kyekino ekiseera abakyala okuba nga nabo babbatolinga kuba luli emabega tubadde na bbato z'abasajja nga ze ziriwo.
Yeah, it's very okay. I mean, that's business. So sichibi as long as techita friendship eli what techileta wo mpalana, it should be for the good of both of them and nothing otherwise. Yeah.
Ensonga z'obusumba ozituusizaawo.
Amundeke katika ngende ndoza njogedde ekimala bambi omwana ali musana nange gunzita.
Tumaliza musama waffe natumaliriza. Soko ogere ku nsonga y'emikolo.
Ekyo sibijje kubyogerako. No. No, I'm loving God and that's all that matters. Yeah, so that's enough, my dear. Kangende. Neta bambi kangende. Wanje.
Obusemba eri abannayuganda bakulaba mugwango ozze kukola kiddala ddala. Oludde nga tulabikawa.
Nze kuwumulako. This is home. Yeah, nzize kuwumulako omwana ali mu holiday era muleese.
Michelle oze naye.
Yeah.
Twamulabako ne mutabani wa Dr. Jose Chameleon. Abantu batandika okubisala. Abagamba munnange.
We live in a society. No. We live in a society where male and female can be friends, so we should embrace it and not have to create words and it's not necessary. They are young kids. We need to protect them. Nakachogera until they are young children, they need to be protected, so I can't speak anything beyond that. Yeah, it would be sort of like nga avume dembe ly'omwana okwogera in that kind of direction. As a parent, I can't do that. So I would expect every mature person to act the same.
Ku nsonga ya music, biki byotutegekeddekedde kuba abawagizi ennyonta ebaluma nnyo.
Ennyonta ebaliwo eti mami tusobola kitegeera.
Ebintu byange Mukama yabitegeka. When the right time comes, I'll release music. Yes. Bambi kangende. Okay.
Nene ekirala akasembayo. Ojidde mu kaseera kukuba nti music abakyala bagera okuba batolinga mu ngeri emubera. Tukusuubira okubeera ku bivulu ebyo by'abayimbi ababiri abakyala n'abakyala kozi bayiriyo lunaku lwe lumu venue y'emu. That is Cindy and Shiva.
Whenever wendi, I would attend because I support the business, but I'm not sure I'll be in the country. Yeah. I mean, salvation is personal. It's between me and my God. Okay. It's nothing on the outside, but what is in the inside. So, they need to stop judging people basing on the outside because you don't know my relationship with God. That's all that matters.
So, man of God,
he's my friend.
Okay, besides that, yes, he's your friend.
Yeah.
One more is that.
Twogera mukwano gwange. Twogera ne mikwano gyo. Kati ndozo kitegedde. So let me go. Ate muweereza obubaka waba mukwano gwange nga twogera mbumuwa direct.
Mwagenda ne mutusiba amaaso.
Ebyo sibiwulidde. Anti oluyimba lwakola temulwagala? Oluyimba lulungi nnyo osanga tunakola olulala. Guys, have a good one. You never know. Anything can happen. With God, all things are possible. Yeah.
Buladi tombuma
Can we have Smolka interview here if you don't mind?
Just a brief one, I'm just saying.
Okay. Thank you.